Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by editing the iPhone's device name because the Hotspot SSID is tied to it. Once ready, open Settings, then General, then About, and tap Name. Type the new Hotspot name exactly how you want other devices to see it. Make it short and recognizable. Long names may truncate on some devices. After you finish typing, tap Done to save. That rename action changes the network identity. Now make sure Personal Hotspot is configured to broadcast. Once the device name is saved, go to Settings and open Personal Hotspot to complete configuration. You'll see the new SSID reflected here. Set a secure Wi-Fi password with 8 or more characters to protect the connection. Toggle Allow others to join on to broadcast the hotspot. If you plan to use USB or Bluetooth tethering, connect the cable or pair the device now so you can confirm each method. Make sure cellular data is enabled, because without it, now verify the change. On a laptop or another phone, scan Wi-Fi networks and locate the new SSID, then connect with the password you set. Once connected, load a web page to confirm internet access and check speed if needed. If the new name does not appear, restart your iPhone and the other device, make sure Personal Hotspot is toggled on, and check for an iOS update. These steps resolve most naming or visibility issues. If problems persist, toggle airplane mode briefly and retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.